In this lesson, I'm going to show you an Angular feature that's absolutely going to blow your mind. How can we show repeated elements without having to write custom loops and iteration or very complex DOM manipulation functions? Let's do it. So, I have in my controller an array which contains different objects. These in particular are foods. Each food has a name and a list of ingredients, which is an array again. This could be something that you loaded from your database, that you read from the internet, that's something that was stored locally in using local storage. It doesn't matter where this came from, but the way we can work with this in Angular is absolutely amazing. What I want to do is show a list of all of these foods, and on each one of those lists I also want to show all the ingredients to the sides. So when I hear about lists, I'll think about unordered lists. In this case, that's what we'll use. The element that we want to repeat is the list element, because we want to have many of those list elements. It could be, this could be used for anything, for div containers, for absolutely any DOM element. In this case, it will be for list. So we will use a directive called ngRepeat, extremely powerful. And we want to grab each item out of items. Items is the name of the array. Whichever name we put here is optional. This could be for every X in items. We'll just call it item to keep the semantics, the meaning, so that we don't get confused. So this is just by doing this element will be created multiple times for each one of them. But what I want to show is the name of this recipe or this food, so I'll do item.name. Each one of these objects will represent a specific object from our list. So this gives me all of the names, and now I want to show all the ingredients. And I'm going to do another ngRepeat, this time for a span that will have color blue to make it a bit more distinctive. And let's close the span. We want to repeat this as well. So this in here we'll do ngRepeat one more time. In this time we'll go for each ingredient in item.ingredients. In this case, ingredient, sorry, is just a string, so we can quickly display it like this. That will give us all of the ingredients. Now you probably want to have a space in between so that it's more readable. That looks better. So this is a basic use case of ngRepeat, how you can so easily, you can start using this today on your current project because it's so powerful, so simple. These can be any kind of element, list, divs, anything, subform elements. So that's ngRepeat.